Hello everyone, and welcome to tutorial 1 of the Python series. In this quick tutorial today, we're going to start out with one of the most important basic programming functions, and it's called output. More specifically, we're going to learn how to use Python's print function to display text on the screen. So first, let's start out with a bit of terminology. What is output exactly? So output is the information your code sends to the user. In Python, we use the print function to show messages or results in the console. So let's look at a basic example first. So up here, we see tutorial 1 output. Starting off with our code, I always like to name it. So let's name it my name, and let's go tutorial 1 output. Perfect. So now our thing is organized. So let's start out with a basic print function first. So we're just going to spell print how we normally do. It should turn pink for you if you're using Trinket. And let's open a bracket and a quotation. This is what you have to do for every time you use a print function. Parentheses and then quotations. You can use the double quotation marks like I have here, or you can just use the single ones. Both will work fine. But in this case, I'm just going to use the double ones. So for our first output, let's type hello world. That's our first basic function. Hello world. There we go. We are alive, people. So we can put anything we want inside here. We can put hello. My name is Andrew. And she'll print for us, even the explanation point. So let's take it a step further. So now we understand what the basic print function does. You type what you want it to print, and it prints. Pretty simple and pretty effective. So let's delete this, and let's start something a bit more complex. So let's create a variable. So a variable is a placeholder for anything, really. So let's say name equals Andrew, because that's my name. So now I have assigned the words or the letters Andrew to the word name. So now whenever I type name or I want it to add it, it'll output Andrew, not name. So now I've assigned that. So now we're all good. So now let's go down to our next line of code, and let's type the print function. Again, so like always, we're going to open our bracket and open our quotations. So let's say, hello, my name is. So we want it to type my name is, and now we want it to print our name. And the name can be whatever you want. So to do this, we're going to use the plus sign, and we're going to type name, just simple like that. And there you go. Hello, my name is Andrew. Now, we have a bit of a problem here. We noticed this isn't how we want it. So we have a nice space here, and a space here, and a space here, but we don't have a space between the is and the Andrew. So to fix that, it's simple. All you do is just add an extra space before your quotation, and it should fix it. Perfect. So what is next? So that is the print function. It's a very simple way to show your name or do your favorite quote to get started, to get comfortable with the program. So that's all for today. And in the next tutorial, we're going to learn how to get input from the user by using the input function. So enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you on tutorial 2.